Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download renter's insurance through Lemonade step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Lemonade. Press enter to navigate to the Lemonade homepage. Look for the option to get renter's insurance. Click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to enter your address. Fill in your address accurately. Click on Next to proceed. Answer questions about your rental situation. Select the type of coverage you need. Continue to the next step. You'll be shown a quote based on your selections. Review the quote details carefully. If satisfied, click on Continue. You may need to create an account. Enter your email address and create a password. Follow the prompts to verify your email if necessary. Provide personal information, including your name and phone number. Fill out any required fields for policyholder details. Review your coverage options once more. Make any adjustments if needed. Proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment information securely. Review all details before finalizing your purchase. Click on Purchase Policy to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Keep this email for your records. Congratulations, your renter's insurance is now active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.